No, I didn't grow up on that side of the town. No, my mama don't have no network. No, I don't know a whole lot of people. No, I'm not at a country club. No, I don't play golf, and I don't plan on playing no time soon. But I'm still gonna be successful. I'm still gonna get you where they are. Why? Because I owe it to myself. And can't nobody stop me but me.
What's going on, KTF family? You already know what it is. And if you don't, it's your boy, Preston, aka Press, aka P. You already know you gotta break it down. I'm back with another reaction video. And today reacting to Avenged Sevenfold, Hail to the King. So without further ado, this song, bro. Let's get to this song. Ooh. Hold on, bro. Hold on. I gotta start this over. This intro mean, bro. This intro mean. Damn.
Save your life by keeping whispers unsaid. Children roam the streets, now orphans of war. Bodies hanging in the streets to adore. Oil flames will carve a path in chaos, bringing daylight to the night. Death is riding in the town with armor. They come to take all your rights. Out of the key.
This is a song I would have to see live. I feel like behind this song is an incredible performance waiting to happen. I got it. I would have to see this live, bro. I have to.
Dare escape and learn the price to be paid. Let the water flow with shades of red now. Arrows black out all the light. Death is riding into town with armor. They come to grant you your rights. Hail to the king. Hail to the one. Kneel to the crown. Stand in the sun. Hail to the king.
Yes.
Flawless victory.
Hey, if I wasn't a fan of Avenged Sevenfold, I am now. First of all, the beginning with the guitar, perfect. Second of all, the hook, I was in love with the hook. Hail to the king. But it also gave me that it reminded me of Iron Maiden. I think that's probably why I like this song so much. Y'all know how I feel about Iron Maiden. But I think that's why I like this song so much. But if Avenged Sevenfold, they got more songs like these, please let me know. This shit was fire, man. From the beginning, from the hook, and to the ending. It was all tied in perfectly. And like, to be honest, if I had if I was to get a new intro song, I would have to consider this, bro. I really would, man. But let me know what you think about this video in the comments down below. If you're new here, welcome to the pack. Nah, you already know what it is, bro. It's your boy, MAIDEN. As always, remember to keep the faith until next time. Hey!
Against all odds, hoping my true motherfuckers know this be the realest shit I ever wrote. Against all odds, up in the studio, getting blowed. The truest shit I ever spoke.